Welcome to the Test Your Knowledge DNA Structure Quiz. Challenge yourself with this timed quiz and explore the fascinating world of DNA structure. Visit acestudents.com.in for more educational resources. Question 1. What is the sugar present in DNA? Is it A. Glucose, B. Ribose, C. Deoxyribose, or D. Fructose? Consider the structure of DNA and its components. Question 2. Which nitrogenous base pairs with adenine in DNA? Choose from A. Cytosine, B. Thymine, C. Guanine, or D. Uracil. Recall the base pairing rules in DNA. Question 3. What is the shape of the DNA molecule? Is it A. single helix, B. linear chain, C. circular loop, or D. double helix? Think about the iconic structure of DNA. Question 4. Which scientists discovered the structure of DNA? Options are A. Watson and Crick, B. Darwin and Wallace, C. Rosalind Franklin, or D. Gregor Mendel. Reflect on the history of DNA research. Question 5. What type of bonds hold the nitrogenous bases together in DNA? Is it A. ionic bonds, B. covalent bonds, C. hydrogen bonds, or D. peptide bonds? Consider the stability of the DNA structure. Question 6. Which of the following is not a nitrogenous base in DNA? Choose from A. adenine, B. thymine, C. uracil, or D. cytosine. Remember the components unique to DNA. Question 7. Where is DNA located in a eukaryotic cell? Is it A. cytoplasm, B. nucleus, C. ribosome, or D. mitochondria? Think about the cell's organizational structure. Question 8. Which component forms the backbone of the DNA molecule? Options are A. nucleotides, B. phosphate and sugar, C. nitrogenous bases, or D. amino acids. Consider the structural framework of DNA. Question 9. Which enzyme is responsible for DNA replication? Is it A. RNA polymerase, B. DNA polymerase, C. ligase, or D. helicase? Reflect on the replication process. Question 10. What is a nucleotide made of? Choose from A. sugar, phosphate, and a nitrogenous base, B. only sugar and base, C. amino acids, or D. proteins. Recall the building blocks of DNA. Question 11. Which base pairs with guanine in DNA? Is it A. adenine, B. thymine, C. cytosine, or D. uracil? Consider the complementary base pairing in DNA. Question 12. How many strands does a DNA molecule have? Options are A1, B2, C3, or D4. Think about the structure of DNA. Question 13. Which process copies DNA before cell division? Is it A. translation, B. transcription, C. replication, or D. mutation? Reflect on the cell cycle. Question 14. What type of macromolecule is DNA? Choose from A. carbohydrate, B. lipid, C. protein, or D. nucleic acid. Consider the classification of DNA. Question 15. What is the full meaning of DNA? Is it A. deoxyribonucleic acid, B. deoxyribonucleic acid, C. deoxyriboprotein acid, or D. deoxyribose nucleotide acid? Recall the terminology. Answer reveal. Let's review the correct answers. Check your responses and see how well you understand DNA structure. Use this as a learning opportunity to improve your knowledge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science practice. Follow us for more study tips and educational content. Your learning journey continues with us.